Hey everyone, can you believe it? More than 6 years after its last hardware refresh, the Nvidia Shield TV is still getting updates. This is pretty wild. And the latest one, Shield Experience 9.22, is rolling out right now. While it's not a massive overhaul, it brings some really nice quality of life improvements. For starters, Nvidia has focused on accessibility. There's a new pairing alert sound to help you connect your remote, a bounce keys feature, and other accessibility tweaks. This update also squashes a pesky bug that caused audio dropouts when you were watching Disney+. What's really impressive is that this update isn't just for the latest 2019 models. It's rolling out to all Shield devices, with users on Reddit confirming they've installed it on their older 2017 Shields. It's great to see Nvidia supporting hardware that's almost a decade old. Let me know in the comments if you've got the update yet. Thanks for watching.